Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to unlock your Facebook account easily, so let's jump right into it. Now your Facebook account might be locked for multiple reasons. Maybe you have tried so many wrong passwords, maybe you have logged in from a different location or device. If that's your problem, just follow up with me and you'll see how to unlock it. Go to your browser and search for Facebook Help Center and then open the first website. From here on the search bar right here, search for account locked. In the results, tap on my personal Facebook account is disabled, and then from here scroll down and tap on fix a login problem. From here tap on this link right here. It will take you to this page. Just fill in your email or phone number. Once you do that, just tap on it, search, and then tap on the profile that belongs to you. You will receive a code to your email or phone number. Just fill it in, and it might ask you to change your password. Once you do that, you're going to be back to your Facebook account, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.